Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. So today we have this Toyota Hilux 2015 model, 216,000 kilometers on the clock, and there is a common issue with these cars. The fuel gauge actually doesn't go all the way down. Customer thinks that he has, diesel, but unfortunately he doesn't have any, because the sender is okay, but the gauge is not working properly, so it doesn't show exactly how much diesel is in the tank, resulting breakdown in the middle of the road because of no fuel. So in order to get this fixed, we have to take out the cluster. So we have to remove this and take out the instrument. Okay, here we are. Pull out 1, 2, these 3 screws, and the instrument cluster out. So we have a couple of plugs right here. 1, 2, and let's get this fixed. So everything is done. Let's put this cover back. So we put everything back, and now we're testing it. As you can see, it is going down. And how we test that? Old fashioned. We take out the diesel. As you can see, the needle goes down right now, so we have to wait until the fuel light comes on. This is what we wanted to see, the empty fuel. Now it works, everything works properly. We pulled out approximately 20 liters of diesel. So the fuel sender and the gauge right now works properly. Thanks for watching.